morning. It is Monday again, which means it's another week of my break. So today I'm actually gonna go buy stuff in a town that is about a 45-minute drive from here. So yeah, I'm gonna buy mostly car stuff because yay. So yeah, I'll see you back now. I'm now gone. I didn't film when I actually drove away. And before I drove away, we also spent some time on the pier. I watched my family do some skiing. So yeah, now I'm here in Linköping by a store known as Biltema. Biltema is kind of a mix between Target and AutoZone, in which they have car products, like they have car tools and a bunch of stuff like that. But they also have a bunch of other things for like your garden and building stuff. So yeah, it's kind of it's actually it's more like Home Depot then. But yeah. Anyway, now I'm gonna go to a store called Mekonomen, which is just mechanic stuff or car stuff, to buy the oil I need. They have oil here, but I don't want to buy it. I want to buy Castrol engine oil, because performance engine oil and performance car. That makes sense. So yeah, I need to shave, I just noticed. So I'll see you over at that store here, and yeah, now I'm done with that. Now I'm gonna go back home to where we stay, Slevinge. So yeah, I'll see you back there for not dinner. Oh, and if you're wondering, this is Sweden. It is almost 3 o'clock. Yeah, it's about 4 o'clock and the sun is already set. Yeah, that's Sweden. The sun sets here really, really late. In case you didn't know, because Sweden is so high up north on the earth, the sun goes up really late here. It goes up at like 9 o'clock and then goes down really early at like 3. So yeah, that's why, if you're wondering why it seems like on the later days or later videos that I shoot, why it's so dark outside, that's the reason. But yeah. And funny fact, it's the opposite during the summer too. In Sweden here, during summer, the sun goes up really early and it goes down really late. So, and as a matter of fact, if you go up really north in Sweden during the winter, there is a chance of there being so-called 24-hour sunlight, which is when the sun doesn't actually go down. It just stays in the air. It just stays up all the time, which is fun. So, but yeah, let's go back home. Enough rambling. Yeah, hi. I forgot to mention, I quickly stopped by a gas station because this car needed Viper fluid. So I just bought some and filled it. So yeah, I'll see you back at home. Why are you uploading so slowly? Please, I want it to come out today, if you would be so kind. Please, internet. Yeah, but anyway, I'm back here now, and I'm gonna start building on this behemoth of a thing, which is gonna be fun. I'm not gonna film it because it's gonna be too long, but yeah, we'll see how long this will take. So yeah, I will see you later for something. I don't know what. Again, after eating dinner up at the main house. So yeah, that was that for today. Tomorrow I'm gonna do some mostly car stuff, which is with the stuff that I bought. And I'm also gonna continue building in this. I have done the bow, or somewhat big part of it, so yeah. I will see you tomorrow. Morning. It is Tuesday, and yeah, today we're not gonna do that much different. I'm mostly gonna be building on this on the Titanic. Continue to. I'm also gonna go change the tires on my Impreza soon, and also do the oil change, which I'll do soon. I'll do it in the afternoon, but I'm gonna sit here and build for like 15 minutes more, then I'll go up and eat lunch. So yeah, I'll see you for that. just been up to eat lunch up there, and now I'm gonna go get back to building Lego. Before that, or before I'm done with that, I'm gonna build a little bit, then I'm gonna go change the tires on my Impreza, my car, so I can actually drive it. So yeah, I'll see you when I'll do that tire change. We'll see. It's about maybe about an hour or so. So yeah, I'll see you. I'm back, and yeah, here you go. There's the bow and the keel deck, or the well deck. Sorry, done. Yeah, this thing is massive, and it's going to be even bigger. Yeah, size comparison. Here's my hand, and I don't have the biggest hand in the world. Yeah, this thing is going to be massive. But yeah, now I'm actually going to take a break from that, because now I'm going to hop in a shower, take a quick shower, and then change the oil and the tires and the wheels on my Impreza. So yeah, I'll see you back when I'm done with that, or I'll see you after the shower. Okay, so let's change these tires quickly. I need to change these brakes soon. That could be good to know. As I said yesterday, I need to put these extender plates on, because otherwise it will rub. The wheel will rub on the brake calipers. Two nuts with the gun. But anyway, yeah, that was that. I will change the oil either tonight or tomorrow. Now I'm actually gonna go do some, so I'll see you after that, probably. Back after doing some errands. Yeah, that was my first time driving this car again. It's really good to be driving this thing again. I'll tell you maybe a bit later what I've done to this car, but yeah, I'll see you soon. And I'll probably do the oil change tomorrow, probably, because I'm not going to be able to do it today. So yeah, I'll see you later. Yeah, before I leave, something that I actually forgot to record or film, or I couldn't record because it was dark, is when I drive my car in the winter like this, I usually have one of these. Every time I go out and drive, I usually get one of these with water in it. And when I'm done for the day, I actually spray it off. As you can probably see right here, because it has all the water spots on it. I usually spray my car off, at least around the arches and the skirts, to prevent it from rusting, because salt. Does it help? I don't know. It hasn't rusted yet, so yeah, maybe it helps a lot. I don't know. It's just a precaution I take so that this car doesn't rust, because I don't want it to rust, because that's Sweden. So yeah, I'll see you back inside for probably some more after a dinner. I'm back after dinner. We ate it at my grandparents' house, and we ate pizza actually, which is interesting, because I haven't actually eaten pizza in a while. But yeah, now to begin with the second part of this build, or the second box, which is going to be the two middle sections of the ship, including the two central furnace stacks. So yeah, I'll see you after this, or I'll see you for a progress update. Good morning. It is Wednesday, and today I'm gonna go right now. I'm gonna go to the garage and begin changing the oil my Impreza. So yeah, I'll see you over at the garage. And there you go. Now it's jacked up on jack stands. This is terrifying. We need a lift in here. Yeah, it's on. All four jack stands is up, and that'll give me room to change the oil. We really need to get a lift in here, or we really need to get a lift in here, or a better jack stand, or a better jack. I mean, yeah. This will do for now. So I'll see you. So actually, looking more at it, no, I'm not actually gonna do. I'm not actually gonna change the oil today, because, well, it is attached. The engine cover is attached by cable ties, and I don't have extra cable ties. And also, I have an oil pressure sensor which is connected to the oil outlet, which is the oil drain plug. It has been swapped out for that. So yeah, I need to first figure out how to look that up. I'm gonna look that up and see how it's done. I'm pretty sure you just have to disconnect it, but I'm just gonna look it up just to be safe. And also, but yeah. So yeah, I'll see you later, which is soon. Hi, I'm in the garage again. So after I was here, I went to eat lunch at their house, and now, a couple of hours later, we're gonna actually go home. We're gonna drive back to Stockholm. We're gonna take my Impreza. So yeah, that'll be fun. So I'll see you back in Stockholm, I guess. After about a 3-hour drive, I'm back. We are back in Stockholm, and I'm down in the parking garage. And I'm gonna show you how I spray off my car. So yeah, I'll see you. To spray off my car, I just use one of these. A pressure sprayer. Just pump it and it creates pressure. And then I usually just do that. And yeah, I usually just do that around the arches and generally everything that's metal, so that doesn't rust. Which, yeah, it's a Swedish thing, because of all the winter and snow and ice and stuff. They usually salt the roads, pretty much like you do everywhere where it rains or snows. And then you take that, and then when you dry it, the salt picks up with all the water, and then the water and the salt reacts on the metal and it rusts. So yeah, I do this to spray it off. I should actually spray off the entire car, but I don't have enough water to do that. So I usually just do the arches. Yeah, I'll see you back at home. And so, there it is. Zoom, there we go. And there it is, parked and sprayed off. I know it's incredibly dirty. I need to clean it. I'm gonna clean it tomorrow, so yeah. I'll see you back at home. I'm back home now. But I'm gonna go out again because I'm gonna go out and buy dinner. So yeah, I'll see you later. I'll see you after I'm back here and I've bought dinner. I desperately need to shave back here. And I'm gonna eat my dinner, which is something I told about last week, I think. It was the fact that in Sweden we have salad bars that you can kind of make your own salad from. You can choose like different there's different pastas. You choose noodles, I think. Then you can choose parts of a salad like tomatoes. My brain is drawing a blank. Avocado and things like that. And then you can choose like different types of meat. Like you can choose fish, you can choose chicken, you can choose meatballs, whatever. And then you can choose sauce, some kind of sauce or dressing. And that is what I did. I did that. I'm not gonna. I won't show it because things. So yeah, that's what I did. I've been missing that. Here, or I've been missing that in the US. I think the only place that does that is Whole Foods, but it's expensive. Whole Foods is very expensive and I haven't gone there actually. Actually I have once. But yeah, so yeah, I'll see you later. Dinner and I shave. Yeah, that was today. I'll see you tomorrow, and I actually have a lot of things planned tomorrow. So yeah, I'll see you tomorrow. Good morning. It is Thursday, and today I'm gonna do some stuff. I'm gonna clean my car. I'm gonna go buy new window wipers for my car, obviously, because the ones that I have are really worn and I need to replace them. And I'm also gonna do some other stuff. So yeah, I'll see you soon. I'm gonna eat food before I go here, but so yeah, I'll see you soon. And now I'm back. I'm gonna go buy some stuff. I'm gonna go buy window wipers for my car, and I'm also gonna buy some other things. So yeah, I'll see you later. Or I'll see you at Biltema again. So yeah, hi, I'm back, and I'm back here at Biltema, and it's still big. And yeah, I'm still here. And I bought a bunch of stuff, wiper blades, a bunch of towels and stuff, because like what I have in the US with my 8.6, I'm gonna keep like basic detailing things like window cleaner, just a basic window cleaner and some rags. I'm also gonna keep a quick detailer and some microfiber towels. A quick detailer I already have, so I'm gonna put it in my car, but yeah, the other stuff I did. So yeah, I'll show you specifically what it is more at home. I'm not gonna change the wiper blades here. I'm gonna do it when I get back home and park. So yeah, I'll see you there. I'm now back in the garage, and I'm gonna change the wipers. Because the one that I have are bad, and they also make a horrible noise when you actually use the wipers, which, yeah, I don't like that. So yeah, I'll see you. And I need to change the battery on this camera. And I also changed the wiper blades. They're much better now. They don't squeak. They don't creak. So yeah, now I'm gonna go back home. And also, yes, I know I need to clean this. I know I said I was gonna clean it today, but I'm gonna clean tomorrow. Because when I woke up today, I woke up actually quite late, and then I just said, oh, I'll do tomorrow. I'll do it in the evening, but then I remembered it gets dark really early here. So yeah, I wasn't able to do it today. So yeah, I'll just do it tomorrow. I'll wake up early tomorrow. So yeah, I'll see you back at home. I'm back home, and I actually stabbed myself with my tool when I was changing the wiper blades. But yeah, it's fixed now. It stopped bleeding. But anyway, I have now ordered food through essentially a Swedish version of DoorDash. So yeah, I'm gonna be eating this soon when it comes in about 20, 30 minutes. So yeah, I'll see you when I need to change. So yeah, that was that. I'll see you tomorrow. Well, I'll do something. And also, it's New Year's Eve tomorrow morning. So yeah, it is Friday, the 31st, which is New Year's Eve. But today, right now, I'm gonna eat some food, and I'm gonna go wash my car. Because of reasons. It's also really dirty, I need to. So yeah, I'll see you when I go out or eat lunch. I'm back, and I'm in my car, as you can see, on my way to wash it. I didn't eat any lunch because I'm gonna eat it when I get back, because we didn't have anything. So I'll just buy some microwave things on the way back. So yeah, I'll see you later, or I'll see you at the cleaning place. Yeah, now it's here. It's much cleaner. It's significantly cleaner. It's now actually black and not like a shade of gray. So yeah, now I'm gonna hand wash it or hand dry it like I always do. So yeah, I'll see you after that. And I'm also gonna need to vacuum it actually. So yeah, I'll see you. I'm looking more at it. It's actually still pretty dirty. I think I need to do like a serious clean, which takes a while, and I'm also, which means I'm gonna need to spend a lot of time here, which I don't know if I'm allowed to spend a lot of time here, but anyway. So yeah, I'm gonna bring a bucket next time and a microfiber glove so I can actually properly clean it, which we'll do next time, which will probably be like next week, maybe. We'll see, or I'll do it this weekend. We'll see. But anyway, that was that. This is where I usually clean my car, because it is a manual, or it is self cleaning. It's not one of those automatic machines, which I don't like, because it will scratch your paint. Not that this paint is really that good to begin with, but anyway. So yeah, I will see you later at a gas station. I'm back, and yeah, it is now after the wash and after a spray off. As you can see, it's slightly cleaner than it was yesterday. But yeah, I will use the full method that I use, which I will explain when I actually clean it properly, which will be soon. I don't know when. So yeah, I'll see you later. I'm back after eating dinner and just being home. So yeah, right now I'm gonna shower because we're gonna go to a New Year's Eve dinner. So yeah, I'll see you when I am done. Let's go celebrate New Year's.
10, 9, 8, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Ska du fria till någon eller?
Ska det här läggas upp på YouTube eller?
Ja.
Seriöst?
Ja.
Ja, vad heter
I celebrated with a big dinner with some family friends, and then I went out and did some stuff with some other friends, or with some people from that dinner. So yeah, I will see you tomorrow. It's Saturday, and January 1st. I have actually been up 4, it says like 6 o'clock. It's now like 12. It's now like 12:40. So yeah, I've been up for like almost 6 hours already. But yeah. Anyway, now today I'm gonna go wash my car as usual, or as I said yesterday. And I'm gonna clean it properly this time, like actually clean it. So yeah, I'll see you when I have showered and finished the thing. Doggy. Doggy. I'm now dressed and I'm gonna go clean my car, which it finally needs, and I'm gonna clean it actually properly. So yeah, I'll see you over at the same cleaning place. Yeah, I'm now back, and this thing is significantly cleaner now. Probably can't see it that well here. I'll show you it when I go to the garage, which has significantly better lighting. Yeah, it's actually now black instead of being grey, as I said yesterday. But yeah, this thing, I can't get off markings on the hood for whatever reason. I don't know why. I'll try. We'll see about that. If they're gone now. If they're not, I'll just figure something way out. Maybe it's their paint damage. I don't know. We'll see. Yeah, it's clean now. So yeah, I'll see you after I have cleaned. After I dried this thing using a hand towel. So yeah, I'll see you. You can probably tell. Significantly cleaner. Now it's actually a shade of black. Again. It's actually now black instead of just being grey. Instead of just being a weird combination of beige and grey. Yeah, there are some things that I haven't been able to fix. Like there's some small dirt spots, and by the way, this is ice actually, because when I was drying it, it froze. So that's fun. That's the reason why I didn't want to be late. But yeah. You can see there are some things like this. This I forgot to clean the entire spoiler, but whatever. This always around where the spoiler is always gets exceptionally dirty, so I'm not gonna touch that. And I need to get these like re-blacked or something, or I can just spray paint them. I don't know. I will see what I'll do about that. Yeah, otherwise this car is now clean, except for this hood. I don't know why. I haven't been able to, I didn't get this off for whatever reason. I might just have to buy some detailer and rub it, and do some rubbing. I don't know, or it could be in the paint, I don't know. I will check that out. I'll get that looked at when I get this painter fixed, whenever that's gonna be. It's gonna be before I leave here, that's for damn sure. Yeah. It's completely clean now. It's no longer a hue of black. It's no longer a hue of light beige. Light beige. It's not longer a hue of light gray and beige. Alright, I need to spray this car. Yes, that's. You're just gonna say, oh, you're just gonna undo your work. Yeah, I know, but that's the sacrifice I have to do to drive this car during the winter. But anyway. That was that. I'll see you back at home. Hi, I am now back, and I'm now back home. I'm gonna go out with dog. Doggy. 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 Whatever. Yeah, I'm gonna walk him for the last time for today, and then I'm gonna go to sleep because I'm really tired. So yeah, I'll see you tomorrow. morning. It's Sunday, and today there's nothing really big planned. We're gonna have a family dinner later tonight, but today is nothing really big is planned. I'm gonna be going through my old closet and pretty much cleaning everything. Just throwing out old clothes because I have a lot of those. So yeah, I'll see you later, and we'll probably show some of that. Now I'm gonna go out and buy lunch. So yeah, I'll see you a lot later. Actually, so yeah, I went out to buy lunch. I went here, ate it, obviously, and now I've just been here. We've been preparing for dinner, which is currently right now. But yeah, that was that. I will see you later. So hi. So well, summarize this week. Well, I guess it's good to be back in Sweden. That's pretty much the only thing I can say about this. Or that's the only thing I have to say. But anyway, if you wanna, please like this video, subscribe to my channel. I upload these vlogs every Monday. And of course, so yeah, you wanna follow me around this trip into the US and also here and maybe some other places, subscribe to this channel and turn on notifications. Watch my other videos, and so yeah, I will see you next week.